We are going to start the video tour of 420 South Duff. This is a 2-bedroom house with a very large yard. This is actually a 2.5 bedroom house, depending on how you look at it, which is kind of crazy for it only being 2 bedrooms. Here is a small half bath. Here you enter into the living room. Really cute area over here. We have these fans right now because we just cleaned these carpets. They are like a little stained still, but they're definitely clean. It smells great in here. Bedroom number 1. And the closet. Pretty big closet here. Oh, I'm gonna turn these lights off as I go through here. Next, we'll go into bedroom number 2. Wow, there's a lot of light in this bedroom. And the closet. Next, we'll go into the bathroom. Large tub shower combination. The light switch right here. Light switches are kind of in confusing places here. Maybe I'm just confusing. Who knows? If you're shorter, this is the place for you. I'm 5'4" and I can get up on top of the refrigerator, which is kind of crazy. These shelves are pretty short. So this is like a good place for a person who's a little shorter. If you like actually being able to reach things. As I said, this has a pretty large yard. This house sits on 2 lots, but there is a second garage in the back that's rented out separately, so there is kind of some of that yard space that's taken away from you a little bit. And then, like I said, this technically is a 2.5 bath. There is a bathroom and shower down here. Typical basement shower, bathroom. Like, it's not beautiful, but it's functional. So here it is. All right, well, thanks for watching.